Hello, good day. Becoming a good personal assistant involves a combination of different skills, abilities, attitude, and organizational behavior. Here are 5 tips you need to know to become a good personal assistant. One of them is to develop a strong organizational skills. To do this, you must keep track of your employer's schedules, tasks, and appointments by using calendars, applications, and other traditional ways of handling data. Tip number 2 is to ensure that your communication skills is top notch. To become a good personal assistant, your communication skills is very essential. As a good personal assistant, you must ask clarifying questions and provide your employer updates through different ways of communication, such as phone calls, emails, text messages, and other way of communications. Tip number 3 is to stay flexible and adaptable. To become a good personal assistant, you must make sure that you adjust or you maintain flexibility when there's any changes, and make sure that you stay or maintain positive attitude when there's any changes in schedules, tasks, or any duties. Tip number 4 is to maintain confidential information. You cannot be a good personal assistant and you cannot maintain confidential information or sensitive infos and details. So to become a good personal assistant, you must make sure that you handle confidential information and sensitive details very confidential. Tip number 5 is, which is the very last one, is to be proactive and resourceful. Being proactive and anticipating things before they occur can help you become the most valuable and trusted personal assistant by your employer and within the organization at large. This is AG Professional Services. You can subscribe to our channel for more tips like this. At AG Professional Services, we do it right.